Another important topic is, I've told you this before, if you haven't followed it, you should. We have been monitoring this Antifa movement, this violent left movement across the country. You've seen the riots and the violence associated with this far left movement. And there's a person out in California, in Berkeley, who's a teacher, who's been associated with this movement as a leader. And I think she's under criminal indictment for violent and riot-related acts. She's also a teacher in Berkeley. So we asked for documents about it. Well, you would have straightforward FOIA request. You've got this public figure involved in this, I mean, you see the video of what she was doing out in the streets, a violent person. That's what the video shows. So, and there have been allegations that she was abusing her position as teacher to radicalize her students. So we asked for documents. Well, she and her allies came into court and sued in federal court to prevent us from getting the records, or to try to prevent us from getting the records. So they were attacking Judicial Watch, as, you know, calling us all sorts of names in federal court for merely doing what we do best, which is asking questions about what the government's up to. And so the federal court kind of put a hold on the case with a temporary restraining order until, I guess, the court could figure out what was up and what was down. And the good news is that temporary restraining order has been lifted, because this far left group, this Antifa group, I think the official name of it is By Any Means Necessary. Boy, that should tell you something, huh? They didn't want us to be even able to talk to the Berkeley School District about these records. And the court said, no, you can proceed, you can talk to Judicial Watch, you need to look for the records. And whether we get them or not is going to be an open question, because there will be future court proceedings. But this initial attack by Antifa, the violent left, through court proceedings against Judicial Watch, because we're in them now, the initial attack suffered a significant setback, and there was a significant victory by Judicial Watch with the lifting of this temporary restraining order. This is all more of the same. You've got a government official who doesn't want us to find out what they're up to. And now they're going to court to stop us from doing that. So we got a victory, at least initially, just this week. But it shows you what Judicial Watch does. I mean, we're always in court, always trying to defend your right to know and to hold the government to account.